Hey everyone, this is my 2021 COVID project, a 4x8 plywood camper. I use 3/4 inch plywood with 2x4s along the top. Built it out for my son and I to go camping, but now he's 16, so we don't go camping as much as we'd like to. Inside, pretty simple. A couple of storage spaces. In the back, it's got 2 storage spaces on each side. I just have blankets up there now, and a fan, lights here, and the other light is for the outside light out here. There's one on each side. 4-inch foam mattress. It's pretty good, not the best. Controller for the diesel heater, and then 2 outlets here for, actually we use them for electric blankets if we go camping when it's cold. This space is just open for whatever somebody wants to do in the future. Outside we have a tray for a motorcycle, and if that were removed, plenty of space for a box for more storage. Up on top we have a 100-watt Renogy solar panel and the fan. All the construction is 3/4 inch plywood with ice and water shield underneath it, and then aluminum powder coated sheets out on the sides. We got the Rotopacks. We got KO2s sitting with, I don't know if I can show this or not. Sorry, this is my first video actually talking. The suspension, I think, is called Reelite, but that's adjustable, 3,500 pound torsion axles. Now you can see the frame here. We had this professionally done. On the plywood here, we have 2 layers of fiberglass, and then we coated that with truck bed liner. Like I said, Rotopacks. The galley hatch was tough to design and a little tough to figure out, but now it just lifts up, and then I have some poles that are adjustable to hold it up. In the galley, I just want it to be pretty simple. So I have 4 storage places, light in here with an extra switch for something else. I got the Renogy Rover, which keeps us, we can run the diesel heater and the electric blankets and the lights overnight if we needed to. I've camped in 7 below, and I've had the diesel heater on low the whole night. Tray for gas cooktop. I have a tire table that just mounts on the tire, so you can cook there, or you can cook up here. I got 100 amp hour lithium battery, 5 gallons of water we just pull it out, fill up our water bottles from here. And then the Stakul 12-volt refrigerator. Actually works on 120 volt too, but it's just lit up. This thing's great, works perfect, never had an issue with it. Got the stabilizers in the back. I've actually put those on, never used them. So here's the diesel heater. I don't know if it's anything special to see inside, but just a Chinese 5 kilowatt diesel heater, little gas tank that will run for days. Doors on each side with sliding vents, perfect. We've had this thing in like I said, up in Leadville, camping up there. I've actually spent the night in my yard when it's been 7 below, just for fun. Had it in Moab 6 or 7 times with a family of 3. I've actually slept my son, my wife, my dog, and I in this thing, and I kept trying to escape to get into the tent because it's too crowded. With the space in here from this edge to this edge, I don't know the distance, but with a pillow, I'm 5'11", and it's a little tight, I'll be honest. My legs are bent just a little bit. Other than that, everything works great. It weighs 1,650 pounds dry, so you can tow it with pretty much anything. So we've outgrown it. We're looking to get into a truck bed camper now, but we're still planning on using it coming up here in the fall if we don't sell it. Thanks, everyone. Please leave your comments, but only nice comments and questions, and let me know what you think.